Hey guys, welcome to Casual Unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing our $200 mystery lightsaber. Now I have two of them here because we ordered two, and this is what we got. Super quick shipping, less than 2 weeks from the time that we hit the order button. That's it. Let's get this done. If you want to see the other ones, we unboxed the $75 ones. Those are pretty sweet. I'm hoping that these will be a little better since they're a little more expensive. $200 a piece, and you do not get to pick which ones you want. That's why it's a mystery box. So let's get this opened. As I fillet my hand with a knife. The opening unboxing will be over this same second. Okay, let's get this out. Sorry for the noise ahead of time. Oh, I also ordered a saber stand, lightsaber stand. This is gonna be noisy, sorry guys. So I ordered the mid-grade blades. They have like different types of blades. They have the tough, the ultra grade, light grade, super grade, which is like you can cut trees down with it. This one's just, I don't really battle. Really, I don't. Maybe I will. I gotta find some friends who are into this stuff as well. Then we can duel. So these are the blades. Simple blades. I mean simple. I don't know. Looks like a light. Looks like one of those overhead lights. I'm gonna make this as difficult as I can on myself. Now they package these pretty darn well. It says, congratulations, you have a saber equipped with light sound. Please remove the tab on the battery to activate. That's what it looks like. And let's get the next one. Congratulations, you have a saber equipped with light sound. Please remove the tab on the battery to activate. That's the second one. Okay, that's it for this. This is the stand and the plugs. So what blade plugs are, basically when you don't have your, what is this thing called? When you don't have this thing in the hilt, you put the blade plug in to protect it, and it just goes in here. I will light it up after we put this in. So let me build this thing first. I'm gonna put these together real quick, and I'll be back in a jiffy. So I'm trying to put these together real quick, and I just noticed they actually do have a piece of plastic covering them, which is pretty sweet. So now it's like a mirror finish. I mean, they look amazing. Versus this one still has the plastic on it and a piece of paper. So that's what they look like. So pretty neat. I mean, good quality for, I think it was like $12. This is gonna stand your lightsaber. Okay, let's put the lightsabers together now. And make this quick. It also comes with Allen wrenches, these little things right here, to put your lightsaber together. Okay, I am super excited now. Okay, let's get these unboxed. Let's see what's inside. I don't want to scratch it up, so I'll just be gentle. As I probably already scratched it up. Okay, let's get this opened. Okay, this one's black. Ooh, nice. Just like the other one that I had before, except this one has sound. Let's pull the tab on the battery, like it says. Okay, so we'll pull the... Ooh, nice. That was loud. That was awesome. And now let's screw this thing back in. And I'll show you guys what it looks like up close. Just the hilt by itself. So this is it right here. That's what it looks like. Let's put the blade in and we'll get this thing started. So to put the blade in, oh, okay. That's the other side. I was gonna shove the blade where the speaker is. There should be a screw here that you use your Allen wrench to unscrew. It's right here. And let's unscrew this real quick. And pop this in, just like so. Oh, this is not like the other one that I have, because this one has little holes so you can see what color it is. So I will turn both of them on after I put them together. So here's the first one. And let's open the other one up. Forget the knife. I can do this with my fingers. Okay, another black hilt. Ooh, nice. This one's pretty sweet. Check this one out. So this one's black and silver. And black button. The other one has a silver button. I'm super excited now. I can't wait to see what... Oh, two different speakers. So this is a speaker in this one. And this speaker looks a little different. So let's pop this open. Let's pop the battery out. The little tab on the battery. I think it goes, and this one is not rechargeable. This one has a rechargeable port. So, okay, let's try harder. Oh, okay, it does come out. It's just it was stuck in there really good. So, AAA batteries, which is awesome. Nice. I think it's an obsidian. Okay, so let's pop this back in. Screw this on. And put the blade in. I really, really, really like this one with the silver inline. I like both of them, but this one's my favorite out of the two so far. I don't know about the color. As long as I get a blue or a red, I'll be happy. And if I don't, I'll be happy either way because I don't have a choice. They're pretty sweet. Okay, so let's turn the lights off. Sorry this took so long, guys. I'm not gonna edit out too much out of this video. If you want to watch the long video, watch it. If you don't, sorry. Okay, so let me turn the lights off and I'll be back in less than 1 second. Okay. Okay, guys, I turned the lights off and it's super dark, almost fell on my face. Here we go. First, the first one goes, that's the black one without any silver stuff in it. Without any silver inline. 3, 2, 1. Oh, no way. This is awesome. Look at this. Oh, cool. Let me show you up close. This thing is awesome. It's 36 inches, so it's kind of hard to get it close to the camera. But that's what it looks like. Okay, let's do the next one. Let me get my stand. I'll show you guys what it looks like on the stand. Okay, next one. I just shut it off. How do you shut it off? Oh, okay. Perfect. Next one is... Oh, no way. You guys rock. Ultrasabers. I'm a customer for life. This is amazing. I got just what I wanted. I got a blue one and a red one. This is so sweet. Oh, no way. So it's got Clash on Flash, or Flash on Clash. This is cool. This is the coolest thing ever. Let's see what the button does if I press it. Oh my gosh. I love it. Look at this. Wow, this looks really cool. So I guess to shut it off, you just have to hold the button. I think. Whoa, I like it. Okay, let me turn the lights back on and I will show you guys up close what they look like. Actually, first things first, let me show you what they look like again, because I'm so excited about these. So let me get to the other camera. That's the blue one. Oh, cool. So even when you turn it, I'm gonna break my cameras. Let's try this one. This is so cool. I can't wait to duel with my friends. I'm gonna bring this to work and show my friend. We're gonna duel. Okay, I am gonna turn the lights on and I'll see you guys in a jiffy, okay? Okay, I am super excited about these. Really love them. Out of 10, these get a 15 out of 10. Definitely. No, 10 out of 10. Ultrasabers, you guys rock. Seriously, these are amazing. Would have not expected to have gotten these. And I got the colors that I wanted. I really can't say anything more than that. I really like them. I'm gonna shut these off real quick because I can't hear myself talk. To shut them off, you just hold the button and it shuts off. Same thing with this one. Okay, I'll show them to you up close as I promised. I'm super stoked about these. Okay, so here's the first one. And that's what the back looks like. Let me turn it on maybe. Oh, that's so loud, sorry. I love this little thing here. And that's the saber itself. That's what the tip looks like. Let me do the second one. That's the red one. They are super sweet. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you for watching the video. Go check them out. I don't make any money for referring Ultrasabers. This is actually a free commercial for them for being awesome. So thanks for watching the video. Comment, let me know if you guys have any Ultrasabers. I was thinking about buying from Saber Forge as well, but for some reason on their YouTube videos you can't comment, so I'm not sure if they don't like criticism or if they don't like compliments, so I have no idea. Let me show you guys what the plugs look like when you put them in and the hilts, because I promised you guys that, but I'm so excited about these that I forgot to show you. So Let me take the blades out. I'll show you guys how to store them. So where's the plugs? Right there. I don't know if the plugs are supposed to be flush with the hilt, but this is the way. So basically, the plug protects the LED and the inside, the parts inside, when you're shipping it. Or oh no, it is flush. So let me see if this one's supposed to be flush. Watch me break it now. No, this one cannot be flush. Okay, so I guess not all of them are flush with the hilt. Unless I'm wrong, let me know. Let me know. This one is definitely flush. Okay, so check this one out. Now it's now it's a flashlight. So that's the blue one, and this is the red one. They are super loud. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye.